Hello YouTube, welcome to another wonderful tutorial. Today I'll be breaking down how I set up this praise Makossa voice in this keyboard MODX6. I know there are tons of videos. If you have this kind of keyboard or you have the Montage, they have similar voices, so you can set it up. Okay, so as usual, I'll be splitting the bass to the left and the other voices to the right. So I'm using two voices on my right and two voices on my left. So when you power on your keyboard, it's gonna look like this, something like this, just an initial voice. All right, so our aim is to set up a voice that we can use in playing praise, especially Makossa praise. So we have to start. I'll deal with the left hand before going to the right hand. So for the left hand, I want to change this voice now. So I'll click on it. Hopefully you guys are seeing it from my camera. So you go to category search. And since we are looking for bass, we go to bass. And then we go to electric bass. Where is it? Electric. Then there's this bass I like. It is called active TRB. Yeah, that's it. Active TRB. So you click on it. So when you click, it loads up here and it will sound like this. So then we are going to change the split point. Now for now it's applied on all keys. So to change the split point, we press on this purple line here, the right hand side. So you click on it and it says keyboard, tap on keyboard. So I want to end my bass, let's say A3. So I'll tap on it, so it automatically changes to A3. So it means my bass is running from the C down here to A3. Then I click exit. All right, now let's add the second bass voice because this it's not really heavy enough. So I'll add the second voice, another bass, another electric bass. Okay, and this time around I need something that is like a picking, something pick up. So I'll go to finger pick bass. I think that's the name, finger pick bass AF. Yep. So if I want to isolate only that sound, these are the second bass sounds. So I want to add the other one now. Okay, so we do the same thing, change the split point to the A3. So click on it, tap A3, and we exit. So remember, you can tweak these bass sounds the way you like. I recommend you do that using your church mixer. If you're in a church, you should tweak it while in a church so that you know the exact sound, because it may not really sound the same way if you tweak it at home and then you go to church. So you can tweak it by going to the individual sound and say edit. So sometimes you want to change the velocity up so that it attacks quickly, but I think this 64 is okay, so you can change it up. It means if you tap it slightly, it still sounds. You can change the pitch. So if it's too high, you can reduce the pitch like to -12 to make it deeper. So I'm just working on one of the sounds now, but I'll keep it in 0 for now. Okay. Remember, you can also change the EQ. You see, change the EQ. Let's see. You can add low. You can reduce the high. So I think everything sounds quite okay. Now let's go to the right hand. Right hand, two voices as well. So we are going to the good old jazz guitar voice. So we go to guitar, and then we look for electric clean. I think so. Electric clean. Then we look for jazz guitar. Jazz. So if you can't find it, you can just search it. Click on that button and say jazz. Like if you know the name of the voice you're looking for, jazz guitar. Tap done. So it gives you different jazz guitar. So this is the jazz guitar I'm looking for. So it has some kind of effect on it. So now, because I've splitted the keyboard, this is sounding a bit too light. So I'm going to change the octave down. First thing, let's change the split points again. This time around, you press the left side and press key. So our bass is ending here. That means our right hand will start from B flat. So that's one. Then click on the voice, edit. Let's change the note shift to -12. So that's the first voice. Second one, we are going to add the second voice. And that voice, there's one called the 8 amps and TC. It's also an electric guitar voice. So we'll go to guitar, electric, 8 amp, the first one. Click on it, exit. You see, it has so many voices. All right, so but I will not be needing all of this, so I will just delete them. Delete. There are instances you may want to, you will need them, or you can just use that 8 amp and TC without adding your own jazz guitar, and it unmute them and it will sound perfect. So this keyboard, you can tweak the voice anyhow you want it. So you are only limited by your imagination. All right, so let's do the same thing. Octave, keyboard. Then we change the octave. Note shift -12. Yep. So the first two voices are on this slider, and the next two voices are on these two sliders. Now, I like to add a third voice on the right hand, a distortion voice. So you'll not be using it all the time, but sometimes you are going to use it. So you add a third voice. This time around, this voice is in guitar, and distortion. Then it's called hard drive. Remember, if you know the name, you can just search it. Hard drive. So the same thing, I'm going to split it, B flat, and reduce the octave. Note shift -12. So I like to tune to add just a bit, not everything. So sometimes you bring it down and play just the other two voices. So if you're happy with your sound, you can save it. You click store, and you'll store it in one of the banks. So I hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much, and God bless you. See you on the next one.